Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we will be showing you the Arlec 450 watt Eco Convection Wall Heater, which is the perfect addition to your home this winter. Its stylish tempered glass panel and ultra slim compact design allows you to install it in small spaces. It is ideal for small rooms and can be mounted onto a wall. This heater features a 450 watt heat setting for efficient heat consumption and easy plug-in installation. It has an IP24 weatherproof rating and a safety overheat protection function, where the heater will automatically turn off if it detects an overheat. For your safety, avoid placing any items on the heater and keep it away from curtains and flammable objects. For any more questions or assistance, refer to the contact details at the end of the video. Thank you for watching and we hope you enjoy your new Arlec wall heater.